Guys, in this video actually I just wanted to show you how to add blips to our bodyguard so we can track them on minimap and the big map as well. So this is you can say this is a part 2 of the previous video. So I'm just gonna, it is a quick video, so that's that. So I'm just gonna create a blip here. Blip I'm sorry. And okay, I'll just make it after I spawn the ped, because for obvious reasons. Blip ped bodyguard dot add blip, and I'll just add this blip. So the blip is the icons you see on the game. Okay, it's saying something. No, it isn't a method. Oh yeah, I forgot. You have to do it like this. My mistake. You can just do this, but I'm making an object because I want to edit this blip. So I'll make color is equal to blip color dot green, and I can change the blip icon, I guess. Let me check. Sprite is equal to blip sprite dot. I can like put, there are so many blip sprites. I'm just gonna go bodyguard or something if there is. Nope. Friend, yeah. So that should be it. I'm not gonna show this code how it runs, but this is how you create a blip. And if you wanna delete a blip, you just go, if I'm not wrong, blip dot remove, and it will remove the blip if you just want to, but I'm not gonna. I'll just comment it out. But yeah, that is it. That should do it. In next video we'll obviously start working with the mod menu itself. Thank you for watching.